Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. This beautiful townhome features an open floor plan with living dining combined. Kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, huge island and lots of cabinet space. 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms located upstairs. Half bath is on first floor. Nice sized gated backyard. Zone Cyfair ISD. This home will not last long. West/D/F included.